A guide to understanding and incorporating fiber into your diet. In the world of food and nutrition, there's a powerful friend that many people don't pay much attention to: fiber. Fiber, the unsung hero of our digestive system, is a vital component of a healthy diet. Yet it often doesn't receive the attention it deserves. Let's embark on a journey to unravel the magic of fiber foods, exploring their benefits, sources, and tactics for incorporating them into our daily lives. Understanding fiber, the unsung hero. Fiber, also known as roughage or bulk, is a type of carbohydrate found in plant-based foods that our bodies can't digest or absorb. Instead of being broken down like other nutrients, fiber passes relatively intact through the digestive system, aiding in digestion and promoting various health benefits along the way. There are two main types of dietary fiber: soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance, which helps slow down digestion and regulate blood sugar levels. It can be found in foods such as oats, barley, legumes, fruits, and vegetables. On the other hand, insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool and helps prevent constipation by promoting regular bowel movements. Sources of insoluble fiber include whole grains, nuts, seeds, and the skins of fruits and vegetables. The magical benefits of fiber foods. Incorporating fiber-rich foods into your diet can work wonders for your overall health and well-being. Here are some magical benefits of including fiber in your daily meals. Improved digestive health. Fiber plays a crucial role in keeping the digestive system running smoothly. It adds bulk to the stool, making it easier to pass and preventing constipation. Additionally, fiber promotes the growth of healthy gut bacteria, which contributes to a balanced microbiome and overall digestive health. Weight management. High-fiber foods are often low in calories and help you feel full for longer periods. By increasing satiety and reducing hunger cravings, fiber can aid in weight management and support healthy eating habits. Blood sugar regulation. Soluble fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Heart health. Fiber-rich foods, especially those high in soluble fiber, can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. By binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract and removing it from the body, fiber helps maintain healthy blood lipid levels. Improved gut health. Fiber serves as a prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial bacteria in the gut. A healthy balance of gut bacteria is associated with numerous health benefits, including improved immune function and reduced inflammation. Tactics for incorporating fiber foods into your diet. Now that we understand the importance of fiber, let's explore some practical tactics for incorporating fiber-rich foods into your daily diet. Start slowly. If you're not used to consuming a lot of fiber, it's best to gradually increase your intake to avoid digestive discomfort. Add fiber-rich foods to your diet slowly and drink plenty of water to help move fiber through your digestive system. Choose whole foods. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds are all excellent sources of fiber and provide essential nutrients along with dietary fiber. Get creative with cooking. Experiment with different cooking methods and recipes to make fiber-rich foods more appealing. Try roasting vegetables, adding beans to soups and salads, or blending fruits into smoothies for a delicious and nutritious boost of fiber. Snack smart. Choose fiber-rich snacks to satisfy hunger between meals. Snacking on fruits, vegetables, nuts, or whole grain crackers can help. Keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. Read labels. When shopping for packaged foods, read the nutrition labels to identify products high in fiber. Look for foods that contain whole grains, fruits, vegetables, or added fiber like bran or psyllium. Fiber is indeed a magical component of our diets, offering a plethora of health benefits and playing a crucial role in overall well-being. By understanding the importance of fiber, exploring its sources, and incorporating fiber-rich foods into our daily meals, we can unlock the full potential of this unsung hero and embark on a journey to better health and vitality. Fiber foods, the cornerstone of a healthy diet. In our modern world, where processed foods and quick fixes often take center stage, it's crucial to remember the foundational role that fiber-rich foods play in maintaining optimal health. By prioritizing whole, nutrient-dense foods and incorporating fiber into every meal, we can build a strong foundation for a balanced diet and a vibrant life. Meal ideas bursting with fiber. To make it easier to incorporate fiber-rich foods into your diet, here are some meal ideas that are not only delicious, but also packed with the magical goodness of fiber. Breakfast. Kickstart your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. Alternatively, whip up a veggie-packed omelet with spinach, tomatoes, onions, and bell peppers, served with a side of whole grain toast. Lunch. Enjoy a colorful salad filled with leafy greens, chickpeas, cucumbers, carrots, and avocado, drizzled with olive oil and balsamic vinegar. For a heartier option, try a quinoa and black bean bowl topped with salsa, diced avocado, and a sprinkle of cilantro. Snacks. Keep your energy levels up between meals with fiber-rich snacks, like apple slices with almond butter, carrot sticks with hummus, or a handful of mixed nuts and seeds. Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of granola is another satisfying option. Dinner. Whip up a batch of vegetable stir-fry with tofu or lean protein, served over a bed of brown rice or quinoa. Alternatively, try a comforting bowl of lentil soup with whole grain bread for dipping, or grilled salmon with roasted Brussels sprouts and sweet potatoes. Dessert. Indulge your sweet tooth with a homemade fruit salad, featuring a variety of seasonal fruits, or enjoy a serving of Greek yogurt topped with sliced bananas, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. For a decadent treat, try baking oatmeal cookies with raisins and dark chocolate chips. Embracing the magic of fiber foods. In our quest for optimal health and vitality, let us not overlook the humble yet powerful fiber-rich foods that nourish our bodies and fuel our lives. By embracing the magic of fiber and incorporating it into our daily diet, through mindful food choices and creative meal ideas, we can unlock a world of health benefits and cultivate a lifelong commitment to wellness. So, the next time you sit down to a meal, remember the transformative power of fiber foods and savor each bite, knowing that you are nourishing your body from the inside out. With fiber as your ally, you can embark on a journey to better health, one delicious and nutritious meal at a time.